Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? Today's video will be some lifestyle content. About a year ago, I applied these towels on top of my pre-existing floors just to give it a good, a different look, a temporary change. And as you can see, we have some gaps here because remember, I am a DIYer. I am not a professional. I just wanted a different look. So I really like the floors, but I do not like that gap around the toilet. So I found this, it's called mildew resistant tape. I had seen it on TikTok, but I never could find it. So guess what? I found it on Temu. Yay! So as you can see, I have some gaps around my toilet area, and I wanted to apply this waterproof mildew. It's called caulk. So it is has adhesive on one side, and it is scored so that the bottom part goes on the floor and the top part goes on the toilet. So right here you'll see I'm showing you where it's scored right there, so you can get a good seal. So when I first tried it, my husband is filming for me, it would not stick, and I realized I had just mopped the floor, and plus I just cleaned the toilet, so both surfaces are wet. So just make sure it's dry. So I'm going to have to wait. I'm going to show you where it will not stick right here. So in my videos I like to show you the pros and the cons, because this is real life over here. Yeah. So yeah, I have to realize that I'm going to have to wait till it dries. So let me give you a little backstory. So I originally started my channel I think it was 2017, 2018, just to show little different things that I learned along the way. And I did like DIY projects and different home projects. And then I added the budgeting to my channel. So that's why my channel is Budgeting and Lifestyle. In a real world, what I should have done was had two separate channels. But since I had already had so much budgeting content, I just decided to go ahead and leave it lifestyle and budgeting. Because we saving the money, and then at some point I think it's good to show people what you actually spend the money on, opposed to just putting it in envelopes and different things. So that's my content on my channel. So as you can see here, it does not go on as smoothly as it shows in the picture, and I'll show you what I do to fix that problem. We got some little bubbles back there where it's gapped, and I'm kind of OCD. I mean, even though I do it yourself projects, I still like for it to look like it was done by a professional. So this is a close-up angle. So you add that bottom part to the floor, and once you add the other part to the toilet, I kept getting a gap. Now, on the pictures on Temu and the videos and on TikTok, theirs went on seamlessly, but I can't see why. But I'm going to show you how I fixed that problem. So yeah, but I have a link down below if you want to check, if you want to purchase this mildew caulk. So what I did was, where you have those gaps, I just put a little slit in it and just kind of just make it look like it's pleated, kind of make it look like it was intentional. So I'm going to do that on both sides so it'll look, cohesive. If you have any other suggestions on how I can get rid of these little bubbles, please let me know. Even though it's my channel, I'm always open to suggestions, because no one knows everything. So we're both here to help each other. So yeah. Looks a little better. It looks better than the bubbles in my opinion. So I'm going to keep working on this, and I'll come back and show you a final result. And I'm also going to go back on TikTok and check out the video. Maybe it was something I did different, and I may be able to make it look just a little bit better. I mean, it don't look too bad to me, especially far away, but it looks better than the gaps. So let me know your opinion, your honest opinions in the comment section. So this is Mrs Vee. I'm always show you a way to save. Thank you, and have a nice day.